So what parts of it are made in the U.S.?
Uh, the majority of everything is actually made here in the warehouse, all the way from the head, the button, head block, grips, arms, swash plate. The things that really aren't made here in the U.S. are the links, fan shroud, landing gear. Even the tank, we have an injection molder in the back, so even the fuel tank for the nitro models are actually made here. But anything that comes pre-assembled was actually done here by someone that's been in it for over 15 years and knows every miniature model. And so you can kind of have that trust and support that people that are doing this have the years of experience.